All it takes is a picture, a smell, or a feeling of a childhood dish to bring back the memories you have of it. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that reminds me of home.
Mama sẽ fan, Mommy Daddy sẽ fan, ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walkinkin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. It was the lily buds that took me straight home. It's an ingredient that I've only ever seen in Mama and Dad's kitchen, and only with their steamed chicken with mushrooms and dried lily flowers. To start, soak 7 grams of dried lily flowers in cool water for 20 minutes. Do the same with 10 grams of woodear mushrooms and 20 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms. You can buy all of these from Chinese grocery stores. When soft, carefully pour out all the liquid for the ingredients soaking in water. Squeeze any excess liquid out as well. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkinkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. To prepare the lily flowers, find the hard ends and cut them off. Now cut 600 grams of chicken thighs into 3 cm chunks and place them in a steam-safe dish. Then add the shiitake mushrooms and the woodear mushrooms. Season everything with 1.5 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1.25 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Mix everything together well. When mixed, lay the lily flowers on top. Set up your steamer on high heat, and when it starts steaming, place the dish in to steam for 25 minutes or until cooked. I lived most of my young adulthood having forgotten about this Cantonese dish until Dad made it again recently. Now that it's back in my life, I want to cherish it there. And there you have it, Mama and Dad's steamed chicken with mushrooms and dried lily flowers. To get the most balanced dish, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, keep the chicken pieces uniform. Make them a similar size so they can cook evenly. Number 2, choose a fattier cut. You'll get a juicier bite using thighs or wings. Number 3, use dehydrated mushrooms. The flavour is concentrated this way. For this recipe, it was Dad who brought back the memories. He made it out of the blue and reminded me of all the times Mama had made it when I was growing up. Now I'm making it to bring back memories for you. If forgotten dishes are what you're after, like and subscribe to our channel. To take a walk down memory lane, I've created a playlist of childhood classics just for you. See you in the next video.